Good morning, children. Good morning.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
I'm good, thank you. And you?
7. Fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
I am fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let everyone come and join the class.
I'm fine, thank you, sir. How are you, sir? Thank you, sir. How are you, sir? कर दीजिए।
I'm fine, thanks.
थोड़ा सा म्यूट कर दीजिए।
Children, be on time. It is dated at 7 November 2020. This is your conversation class. Welcome to my class. English conversation. Today, we will try to make short questions. Students, are you ready? Just try to open more conversation copy. You should have at least a pencil, sharpener, eraser. Okay. Good. Sit properly. Are you ready? Okay. Now we will start. Short. Questions. Today we will try to make you need to know some essential pattern and structure I have already taught you in the previous class. Okay, just recall. Um, um, I. Are you getting? Abanish Kumar, are you not ready yet? New. We will try to make short questions. Look at the board. I knew. Here's a question mark. I have used this word new here. Have you got it something? Just try to connect your previous class. Whatever I have taught you in previous, just try to connect. I do. This is our question. Number 2. I have given you late. I happy. I teacher. I player. I clear. I regular. I have just given a few short questions, and here I have used I structure. I see. Little learners, just try to pay attention. I new? Are you getting something here? Am I late? Am I happy? Be watchful, be careful, pay attention. Am I teacher? Am I player? Am I clear? Am I regular? These are short questions. And I have used here am I pet, my structure. Okay, see. Now, you will try to find your own shorter answers. These are short questions, and those will be your short answers. Pay attention, children. Look at the first point. Am I new? Am I new? Am I new student in the school? Am I new child in the class? Am I new boy in the class? Are you waiting? All right. Am I new? Am I a new student in the school? Am I new child in the school? Am I new student in the class? Am I new boy in the class? Okay. But here we are making short questions. And that side, we will try to answer in short. Hardly I have given 7. I have used am I. Just try to make your own short questions and then find your own answer. Okay? Is there any problem? Shall I move on second side? I'll wait. I'll wait for a moment. Children, is there any problem? Only three words I have used. 1, 2, 3 words. Look at 1 to 7. Is there any problem? It's common for you. You just try to understand and then try to follow. Students, be careful, be watchful, sit properly. Sit properly. What happened?
कॉपी में लिखना है
What, beta?
1 to 7 points. We will write in our copy.
If you want, you may note down. You may write down. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah. You may write. Okay. But it's a compulsory to understand all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mute yourself. Now, we are going that side, we are going to find their shorter answers. Okay. See. Okay, mute yourself, sit properly. I knew. This is our first question. Just think about it. I knew. I knew. Yes. Yes. You are. Am I new? Yes, you are. What, beta? Means yes, you are new.
You are is not separate.
No. Yeah, separate. Separate. Don't combine together. You
We
are.
will write ARE.
Yeah. You have to write separately. Don't combine you are together. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, see. Am I new? Am I new? Am I new student in the school? Am I new student in the class?
Yes,
No.
you are.
No. Yes, you are. No, beta. Just try. No. No. No.
You are.
No. You. You are. Yes. No, you are not. No, you are not. No, you aren't. You are combined together to make it shorter. You are, you are. No, you are not. Yes, you are. I new? I new? Yes, you are. No, you are not. You are not. No, you are not. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Are you new? Yes, I am. Are you new? Yes, I am. Am I new? Yes, you are. No, you are not. No, you are not. Okay? First one. Okay. Number two. Now, okay, beta. Stop. Turn on your videos. What are you doing? I want to watch you all. Are you attentive or not? Students, hello? Okay. Ras Narayan Mishra, I'm coming to you. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Welcome back to conversation class. Ras Narayan, how are you, beta? Ras Narayan,
Yes, sir.
how are you, Raj? Hello? Raj, how are you? I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine.
Yes, sir.
I'm fine. Thank you. Okay, Raj. Raj, is there any problem? Raj Narayan, look here. Hello? Raj? Arvind, don't shake your body. Don't move. Sit still. Sit properly. Okay, here. Raj, look at that answer, Raj. Hello? Raj. Raj, are you getting my voice? Raj. Raj. Raj.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Look at that answer. Okay, Raj, take care. Pay attention, children. I new? Look at that answer. Yes. Am I new? Yes. You are. I have given answer. Yes, you are. No. No. You are not. You are not. Yes and no. Are you getting yes and no type answers here? Yes, you are.
No.
No,
No.
no, you are
No.
not.
Yes.
Yes, you are. No, you are not. Okay, beta, look at the number 2. Am I late? Am I late? I have altered only word. Instead of new, I have used here late. Here that was new and here is late. Am I late? Am I late? This is our question. Am I late?
No.
Answer beta.
Sir. No. No.
Yes, yes. First yes and no type. We will try to get two answers. Yes and no type answers here. First you tell yes and then no. Okay beta? Yes. Yes. Okay. Raj, tell me. Yes.
Yes.
You.
Yes. Yes, you are.
Yes, yes, you are. And here beta? No.
Yes,
No.
no.
No. Speak up.
No.
No. You are. You are combined together. You are contact together. It becomes you are. No, you are not.
सर उधर से दिखाई नहीं दे रहे सर
What?
दिखाई नहीं दे रहे
No,
सर
you are
सर
not. What beta?
सर इधर दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है
Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. You are. You are. Are you getting now? No,
Yes, sir.
you are not. Is it okay? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
now? Here, number 3. Look at number 3. Very simple. Am I happy? Now, this time I have altered the word. In first, I have used new. Instead of new, in second, I have used late. And instead of late, in place of late, here I'm using happy. And I have used happy. You have got, am I happy? Now, mute yourself. Raj, mute yourself, beta. Okay.
Mute करना सर
Sit properly, sit properly. Now, Hariom, I'm coming to you. Hariom, let us practice all. Let us practice all. Very well. I.
Sir.
Answer beta. Number 3. Hariom.
Yes. You. Yes.
Wait. Am I happy? Am I happy? Try to answer in yes.
Yes.
I'm not getting your voice clearly.
Yes.
Wait, let me write.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Speak out.
You are.
Wait. Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are. Okay? Okay? Hariom, just write.
No.
No. Okay, let me write, beta. No. No.
You are not.
No. You are not.
You are not.
No. You are not. Okay. Mute yourself.
Yes,
Students,
sir.
mute yourself. Students, look here. Questions, they are different. Last word, last word, last words are different. I have used different words, but the pattern is quite similar, quite same. Am I new? Am I late? Am I happy? Hello? Am I teacher? Am I player? Am I clear? Am I regular? See, you get something. Are you getting something here? Students, look at the board. Now, number 4. Am I teacher? Late. It is a just for learning. Okay. Make your short question and find your own answer. Okay. Manvi, Manvi,
Yes, sir.
am I audible to you? Can you hear my voice? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How are you? How are you,
I'm
Manvi?
fine, sir.
Okay.
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Look at the number 4. Children, sit properly. Sit properly. If you are willing, you may note down all in conversation copy. Okay. But it's not compulsory for you. Okay. You can make your own short question and then try to find your own answers. Okay. It's not a tougher for you. That is not difficult for you. Okay. See. Come back to the point. Am I teacher? Yeah, number 4. Manavi, number 4, beta. Look at the number 4. Manavi, Manavi Singh. Manavi Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try to answer in a yes and then no. Okay. Try beta. Am I teacher? Manavi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, answer. Look at the number. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Answer beta. Manavi. Manavi. Manavi Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, answer beta. Number 4.
I am a
Yeah. Am I teacher?
teacher.
Okay. Yes.
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 Yes, you are yes.
Yes. You.
You are.
Yes. You are. Am I teacher? Yes. You are. Try to answer no.
No, you are not. Hello.
No. No. You are not. Okay. Now mute yourself, beta. Wait. Let me see. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Ankita Kumari. Hello. Ankita. Hello. Ankita. Ankita, are you getting my voice? Ankita. Ankita. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How are you, Ankita?
I am fine, sir.
Okay. See, look at the number 5. Am I player? Am I player? Hello? Ankita? Try to answer.
You are player.
Hello, beta, don't reply. Let her speak. Let her reply. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just wait and watch.
Yes,
Let me
you
unmute it.
are.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Here, beta.
No.
Yes, you are. Next.
No.
No, wait. No. No. No.
कनेक्ट कर चल नहीं रहा
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही है क्लियर.
No, no, I'm getting your voice. Tell me. No.
और नहीं आ रही है सर
You
बहुत
are. No,
बस
you
इस
are
साइड का फोटो नहीं दिख रहा है.
not. Number 6. Wait. Mute yourself.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are. No, you are not. Okay.
No, you are not.
Okay.
सर मैं
Arvind, I'm coming to you.
हाथ उठाइए.
Wait. Arvind, look at number 6. Arvind,
Yes, sir.
speak properly. Don't shake your body. Don't move. Pay attention.
तेरे से हमारा
Am I clear?
तो ये सबको अनम्यूट
Look at number 6.
वैसे कट कर देगा तभी आ जाएगी. Yes, sir. Yes.
निकाला चाह रहा है
Are you not? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You are no, not. Yes, you are.
Mute yourself.
Yes,
Wait, if you not reply.
not.
Arvind,
Yes, sir.
okay. Answer, beta. Yes, you are. Wait.
Sir.
Yes.
You are.
Yes, you are.
Sir.
Don't speak, beta.
Sir, आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay. Arvind?
No.
No. No.
You.
No, you are
Not.
not.
Sir.
Okay. Mute yourself, Arvind.
Sir.
Turn on your videos first.
Sir.
Students, turn on your videos first.
Sir.
Okay. Speak. I'm getting your voice.
Sir.
Okay, okay. Ask.
Sir.
Okay, beta, I'm listening to you.
सर आपकी आवाज दिख रही है।
Okay. Look at number 7.
सर उधर का नहीं दिख रहा है। सर उधर का नहीं दिख रहा है। नहीं दिख रहा है। नो तो उधर वाले का नहीं दिख रहा है।
No, you are not. No, you are not.
उधर का
You are getting quite similar.
सर उधर वाला नहीं दिख रहा है।
No, you are not. It's quite similar, beta. It's quite similar. No need to answer. Yes.
सर नहीं दिख रहा है।
अरे कूल
You
एक
are
ही आवाज
getting
था।
it. You are getting it. You are getting a similar answer. Similar answer.
बराबर है।
Wait.
हेलो कहता।
Yes, hola. Yes, you are.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet, beta. I'm going to what? Here. Okay. Are you getting my voice, child? Hello? 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 Are you getting? Are you getting my voice better? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at number 7. Am I regular?
Sir, yes, you are. No.
Okay, okay. Continue. Continue answering.
Yes, you are. No, you are not.
Yes. You are. No. You are not. Okay.
Sir, आंसर सही है।
Yeah. Thank you so much. It's enough for you. Study well. Learn something. Speak something. Take care. Goodbye.